Ang bilis ng comment mo eh.
Ako din naiilaw ko minsan.
Bye.
Thank you! Wala ba kayong Q&A? Q&A tayo guys, Q&A. Making ganda ng ikaw na dilaw na polo mo. Thank you! Yun talaga naisip kong idea. Sabi ko sa dilaw, dapat meron akong polo na nagsasabi ikaw ay dilaw sa likod. Pinush ko talaga yun. Buti na lang na give ng justice. See you sa Baguio! Guys, hindi pa tapos ang Maki concert kasi meron pa sa Baguio, meron pa sa Cebu at sa CDO. Parang ganyan ng Wicked at sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. I love The Wicked. Hairstyle ko, di ko alam yung tawag eh. May pinagaya lang ako. A sooner by defying gravity, I'm defying gravity, and you can't pull me down. Unlimited, unlimited, and nobody and all of us, no wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring me down. Nag-musical ako dati. Joseph the Dreamer, and then yung sa Legally Blonde, I played as Warner. Gusto niyo yung sample? Warner, Legally Blonde. The musical. Serious. Ako si Warner. Si L Woods. We both know why we're here. I see it in your eyes. I guess it comes my fear to know it's not a surprise. I thought one look at you, looking like a dream come true, would leave me speechless like you always do. But now we're wide awake, and we've got plans to make. Let's take some action, baby. So baby, give me your hand. I've got some dreams to make true. I've got the future on play. It's time to get serious. Time to get serious with you. Oh, honey, I'm not finished. Since I was 2 or 3, my life is planned out neat. Law degree. And then when my Senate seat, a big White House back east, all of them amenities, 3 kids at least, just like the Kennedys. Here's where our lives begin. Just where do you fit in? I'll break it down now, baby. So baby, give me your hand. I've got some dreams to make true. I know that you'll understand. Serious, Cardi, serious. Future attorney, moon and sky. Don't be shy. Should break up. Wait, what? breaking up with me,
I thought you were
proposing. Oh,
If I'm
gonna be a senator,
when I'm 30,
I'm gonna be somebody serious. Less of a Marilyn, more of a Jackie. Serious.
Somebody classy and not too tacky.
What?
Okay, that came out wrong. Baby, let's
Don't
both
be strong.
I mean, we've known all along. Shut up. What does that mean? I'm not Jackie. I'm not serious. But I am
Seriously in love with you. May Legally Blonde the musical. Ate Abby, hindi mo alam? Why?
Some dreams to make true. I thought that you'd understand.
It's time to get serious.
Time to get
Hindi ko pa ba napanood sa'yo, Ate Abby, yung ano ko? Yung performance ko sa Legally Blonde?
Wait a sec. This is the kind of girl Warner wants.
Someone serious. Someone loyally. Someone who wears black when nobody's dead. Girls,
I have a completely
brilliant
plan.
na deaf and brand new domain. Pam pam. Ano ba gusto niyo musical? Alam niyo yung ano? Dear Evan Hansen. Alright.
There is where you'll see it too. Warner, what you want is right in front of you. What you want is clear. What you
Favorite ko din tayo. I've learned to slam on a break.
I've learned to slam on the brake
Before I even turn the key.
before I make the mistake.
Before I leave with the worst of me. Give them no reason to stare. No slipping up if you slip away. So I got nothing to share.
No, I got nothing to say.
Step out of the sun if you keep getting burned.
Step
Anong part niyo po sa Joseph the Dreamer? Ako si Joseph. On the outside, always looking in. Will I ever be more than I've always been? Cause I'm tapping on the glass. I'm waving through a window.
try to speak, but nobody can hear.
So I wait around for the answer to appear while I'm watching people pass. A window. Can anybody see? Is anybody waving back at me? Iba yung iba yung Joseph the Dreamer na isa. Alam ko yung, you know better than I. You know the way. Iba pa yan sa Joseph the Dreamer na ginawa ko. Medyo yung Joseph the Dreamer na ginawa ko yung medyo close every door to me. Keep those I love from me. Children of Israel are never alone. Even though we survive our own peace of mind, for we have been promised a land of our own. Mga musical again. Hindi ko ginawa pero I love Hamilton. Yung You say the price of my love's not a price that you're willing to pay. You cry in your tears which you hurl in the sea when you see me go by. Why so sad when you went away? Now you're making me mad. Remember, despite our estrangement, I am your man. You'll be back, soon you'll see. You'll remember you belong to me. You'll be back, time will tell. You'll remember that I served you well. Oh, Oceans rise, empires fall. We have seen each other through it all. And when push comes to shove, I will send a fully armed battalion to remind you of my love. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah. Ano pa ba? Skylar sisters, Angelica, Peggy, Liza at work. Need to know. So din yung ano doon. Yung I remember that night, I just might regret that night for the rest of my days. I remember that soldier boys tripping over themselves too when I praise. I remember that dream like candlelight, like a dream and you can't quite place. But Alexander, I'll never forget the first time I saw your face. I have never been the same. Intelligent eyes and a hunger pan flame. And when I said hi, I forgot my dang name. Set my heart aflame. It's not a game. You strike me as a woman who's never been satisfied. I'm sure I don't know what you mean. You're like me, I'll never be satisfied. Is that right? I will never be satisfied. My name is Angelica Schuyler. Alexander Hamilton. Where's your family from? There's not important. There's a million things I haven't done. But just you wait. Just you wait. So. Dream then see the light is in the judgment the key and kite. You see it right? I thought it lasted maybe 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes to begin. I'm just a bit of a flirt, but I'ma give it a chance. Handsome boy doesn't know it. Peach fuzz and you can't even grow it. And she is helpless, and I know she is helpless. And her eyes are just helpless. My favorite Disney song would be pinang-audition ko dati sa theater, yung actually di ko naman siya favorite pero isa siya sa mga favorite ko kasi madami akong favorite. Yung I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a great warm welcome will be waiting for me, and the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I will find my way. I can go the distance. Sobrang pagod lang ng boses ko ngayon. Kasi dire-diretso yung namin. I know every mile will be worth my while. I would go most anywhere to feel like I belong. No? Favorite kong areglo sa concert would be Halaga. Sobrang ganda. Grabe yung Halaga. As in yung kaya kong gusto kong kantahin pa ulit-ulit sa concert, yun Halaga. Although sobrang pagod lang talaga ng boses ko, kaya hindi ko siya masyadong Naiinis nga ako nun eh. Pero, I did my best. Sobrang ganda. Tsaka yung sigurado extended version. Di naman ako nang hihingi na kahit na anong salitang matatamis. Sabi mo, hanapin mo ang sarili mo, pero bakit parang may nahanap kang iba? Yung pinagsalosan ko pa talaga. Edi sana, edi hindi na naniwala sa'yo. Sinabi mo na, di ka na sigurado. Favorite ni Ate Abby yan, sigurado. Favorite ko din yan. Kahit ako nung sinulat ko yung nagulat ako sa sarili ko. Ang ganda nun ah. Sabi mo, hanapin mo ang sarili mo. Okay, parinig ko sa inyo yung recorded version. Saan ko ba nilagay yun? Pero ano lang to, sa BandLab lang. Wala, sino nun? Where did I send it? Wait, check natin sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa'yo sa huli palagi. Hello, saan na yun? Wait. Alam ko sinend ko na yun eh. Saan nga ba yun? Hindi ko mahanap. Alam mo. Saan ko nga ba sinend yun? Wow! Congratulations, Tay. Wala pa sa Spotify. Gusto nyo ba? Parang ayaw nyo naman. Parang di nyo naman nagustuhan sa concert. Parang di naman. Charot lang. Nasaan cats mo? Nasa sala sila eh. Standard version. Parang di nyo rin nagustuhan yung itim na ulap. Ito na lang, yung itim na ulap, yung pap... Ay, hindi, ayoko parinig kasi surprise din yun eh. Kapag itim ang ulap, tuwing bumubuhos ang ulan sa aking mga mata, sana kasama pa rin kita. Kahit maputi na ang buko. Where did you buy your star earring? Ako lang gumawa niyan. Also this one. Ang dami nagtatanong. Kaso na yun? This. Ako lang din gumawa. This is for Bughaw. Malalaman nyo na soon kung bakit ko ginawa to. The Bughaw necklace. Naiiyak na ako just thinking about it. So, ayoko muna siyang hawakan dahil nalulungkot ako. Charot lang. Alam niyo yung Zushis ngayon medyo feeling ko hindi. Feeling ko na-overwhelm lang kayo sa concert. Pero, yung... Ano? Hala, dumilim. Where's the saksakan? Sabi siguro ng tulog na ako. Where's the yacht? Tada! Ayun na nga yung sinasabi ko. Wala, hindi nyo magets yung clues. Hindi nyo magets yung clue. I love puzzles. Oo, Nate Abby, matutulog na ako pag nag-2. Mahapon pa naman tayo bukas. You are sunlight and time moon, joined by the gods of fortune. Hindi ba tayo hapon? Midnight and high noon, sharing the sky. All those days, chasing down the daydream. All those years, living in a blur. All that time, never truly seeing things the way they were. Now she's here, shining in the starlight. Now she's here, suddenly I know. If she's here, it's crystal clear. I'm where I'm meant to go. And at last I see the light. Sorry, nag-ADHD na naman ako. Ay, sinasabi ko kanina. And at last I see the light. And it's like the sky is new. Ayun sa Sushis. Nahihinaan ako ng onte sa Sushis alam nyo ba, may nabili ako yung pang ng makeup. Ginagano na. Sin madali lang tanggalin. Nag-ano siya. Sabi ganun. Ayun na nga. Yung sa Sushis. Hindi nila ano bang term dun? Dissect. Ayun, dissect. Hindi nila lang paano i-dissect yung mga clues ko minsan. Nahihinaan ako sa inyo. Hindi naman ako obvious masyado Wait nga, mahirap. So, ganito mag-floss, guys. Unahin nyo yung likod. Ano naman pakulo nito ni Halo? Check Twitter. Bakit? Meron. Anong trending? Anong trending? May kinalaman ba ako dyan? Mag-floss talaga sa live. Wala naman daw trending. Trending. Ano naman, Christian? Naku kayong hindi nyo talaga sa chismis. Wala ako dyan. Bahala kayo dyan. And at last I see the light. And it's like the sky is new. And it's warm and real and bright. And the world somehow shifted. Alam nyo, pwede natin gawing musical yung Tanong EP. Bakit ganito? Ano ba nangyari sa ating dalawa? Bakit parang bigla na lang naglaho yung nararamdaman mo? Kailanman di ko maiisip ang mundong walang ikaw. O kay bilis ng takbo ng panahon, walang nananatili sa mga kahapon. Umiiyak na lang sa mga litrato di ko na mababalikan. Accept. Wala kang ini-airdrop. Hindi naka-on yung airdrop ko. Charot. Kailan mo naramdaman na di mo na ako mahal? Paano mo? Ba't may nagwawaw? Hoy, nagjo-joke lang ako. Siniseryoso nyo naman. Ito mga patulay. May nagwawaw. Pa-spoil po ng next song. Ba't nagne-next song kayo agad? Hindi nyo muna pinapakinggan yung bughaw. Next song agad. Pwedeng wait lang. Di ba parang pag may bagong song, yun muna. Next song agad eh. Isipin mo nagka-jowa ka. Tapos iisipin mo next jowa agad. Ganun ba yun? Ganyan ba? Ganyan ba ang mga taong sushis? Ganyan ba? Ganyan ba, ma'am? Ganyan ba ang dapat sushi, ma'am? Galit ka ba? Yes. Hindi na lang ako tatawag sa inyo kung galit ka. Pues, Pues, kung meron kayong mga reklamo, mga suggestions, punta kayo sa customer service. Hindi kayo maka-keep up sa humor ko. Eh, ganun talaga. Sobrang sira na humor ko. Sinira nyo na lahat. Sirang-sira na humor ko. Ginawa nyo pang comedy show yung concert ko. Ano ba? Ano ba? Tama na to. O paano? Sa ilang taon na yun, na akala ko ay tunay, o bakit nagbago? Nagtataka, nalilito. Minahal mo nga ba talaga ako? O bakit ikaw ang sigaw ng aking puso? Kahit na tapos papakita kung paano iniwan ni girl yung guy. Tapos parang ilang beses mo kong iniwanan. Tapos basta yun yung nangyari ng time na yun. Tapos lights off. Tapos change na ng set for act 2. Doon na lalabas yung dilaw, yung saan, ganun. Tsaka yung HBD. Lalabas yung HBD. I still remember 4th of December, me and your sweater. You said it looked better on me than it did you. Only if you knew how much I like you, but I want your eyes as she walks. May steps yan eh. As she walks by. sight of sore eyes. Ay. Sing Cobra. Ay, hindi ako yung Cobra. Ibang kanta ang Cobra. Cobra para sa mga taong mga agaw. Mga agaw na Diyo. May sinabi ba ako sa concert na ganun? Wala naman, di ba? Wala, okay, wala. Minsan di ko din alam, minsan sila sabi ko sa harap eh. Sa museo ng Antipolo. Wait lang po yung susunod na kulay kasi may kulay pong lumabas. Bughaw. Yun na muna ang ating pakinggan. Na para bang gusto nyo ng kanta araw-araw. Wait lang. Na para bang promote muna natin yung bago, 'di ba? Sinong ship mo sa Bini? Ship ko sa Bini. Yung yung sinakyan ni Moana. Kailan next concert mo, Maki? Sa CDO, sa Cebu, tsaka sa ayun, Baguio. How to make a song kasi nakikringe ako. Alam mo, part yan. Part yan, ibig sabihin you're on the right track. You're on the right track. Baby, I was born. You were born this way. What if top artist kita sa Spotify rap? Ibig sabihin, sobrang cool mong tao. Sobrang wow, music taste. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng music taste. Sobrang clever, sobrang quirky, sobrang unique and different. Like what? Top tier, sabi ni Asher. Like, wow, sobrang ganda ng music taste mo. Ibig sabihin, yan yung ipopost mong Spotify rap. Hindi ka mahihiyang ipost yung Spotify rap. Ganun. I'm not that girl. That's the girl he chose. And heaven knows I'm not that girl. Kamusta ang puso mo lately? Kamusta ba ang aking puso? Happy naman ako. Super happy ako. Dahil sa concert sa Zushis. Yun na lang mahalaga yung Zushis muna. Okay, I will be sleeping. Kasi tao din naman tayo. So, let's sleep. Good night, guys.